Did you know that one simple decision about your car insurance could be costing you thousands of dollars every single year? The big question is, full coverage or liability? So many drivers get this wrong, but I'm going to break it down so you don't make the same mistake. Let's start with full coverage. Yeah, it seems more expensive up front, but think of it as a complete safety net for your car. In 2025, it's the only option that protects you from pretty much everything. Accidents, theft, storms, vandalism, and even those frustrating hits. One bad day, one unexpected incident, and full coverage could save you from a massive bill that could wipe out your savings. Imagine your car gets totaled in a storm. With full coverage, you get a check. Without it, you get nothing. Now, let's talk about liability. This is the bare-bones cheapest option you can get. It fulfills the legal requirement, but here, the catch, it only pays for the damage you cause to other people, cars and property. Your own car gets zero protection. Not a single penny. It doesn't matter if the accident was your fault or not. If your car is damaged, you're on your own. This is where so many drivers feel a huge sense of regret after their first accident. They saved maybe $50 a month, only to be left without a car and a repair bill that costs thousands. But here is the powerful truth. The insurance companies don't always tell you. Full coverage is always the smartest choice. If you're driving an older car, say one that's worth only a couple $1,000s, paying for full coverage might be a waste of money. Why? Because the annual cost of the insurance could be more than what the insurance company would even pay you if the car was totaled. In that situation, liability only could actually be the smarter financial move. So how do you decide? It's not just about the cost. You need to ask yourself a few key questions. First, what's your car's actual market value? You can check that online easily. Second, can you afford to replace your car out of pocket right now with cash? If the answer is no, you should probably lean towards full coverage. Also, think about your driving environment. Do you park on a busy street? Is car theft common in your area? The higher the risk, the more valuable full coverage becomes. The biggest trap is just picking the cheapest plan without thinking it through. Don't let a few dollars a month blind you to the thousands you could lose. By understanding your car's value in your own financial situation, you can make a decision that protects you without overpaying. You'll know exactly when full coverage is worth every single penny, and when liability is the strategic move. Thanks for watching. If this helped you clear things up, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips that can save you money. Drive safe.